Hello, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Maybasing Matados, 27 years old, from Abulug, Cagayan, Philippines. I'm a high school graduate and I have one daughter and she's 5 years old now. My work experience here in the Philippines is almost 7 years. I start 2017 to 2019 and then I came back 2020 to 2024. I do washing clothes, cleaning the house, taking care of the baby like newborn and kids, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and to my future employers, please choose me because I'm a trustworthy, kind, a happy person, and religious. And then to my please choose me because I try my best. I like to learn more. Thank you and God bless us.